In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select an app you want to use in this view and launch it in the background. Now hold it and click on this icon of the rectangles on the left, or in some cases on the right, this one under a padlock. Now choose any other app from the background or click on Home button and click on one here. Either way, after a few seconds you can enjoy both of your apps at once. To go back from this view, you can either go into background apps and swipe them like you would any other one, or hold this line. You can drag it a little bit in order to resize your apps, or drag one all the way down, all the way up, and tap on Home button to close the remaining one. But what most people miss is that you can actually click on those three dots at the top of each app. This way you will get all of those options. The X one will close one of your apps, so you can switch it to another one. This one on the left will open chosen app in full screen view instantly. And this one will switch places of your apps. If you want to, you can also pick one of those apps and open it as a pop-up window. Click on this icon to do it. To go back to split screen, use the same three dots and tap on split screen option, like that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!